Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzi on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Upujamu.
Hey, Stibo.
No small.
Yeah, no small Z. Small Z. Ni cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are the Pirates.
Sure.
Yeah, Stibo, good game.
Yeah.
Good game of football. I think the team is quite okay now.
Siyahlangana.
Yeah, team yahlangana.
Sure.
Pirates yakudala mayidlala ama game so bengaluza na 1-0.
Va.
Slow sidlala khona la eOrlando.
Va.
Yeah, so the team has improved.
Yes.
We need to be honest.
Yeah.
The direction is there.
Yeah.
My only concern, Stibo.
Yini Puja?
My only concern is issue ukuthi we are not scoring goals.
Yes.
Score goal only 1, score 2.
Yeah.
But siba nama chances eswa creator.
Yeah.
Those chances needs to be converted.
Awabula.
Remember, we have an assignment.
Which is?
Go caref. Those, particularly the North African countries.
Yes.
If you are not going to bury your chances,
Yeah.
Bona, they will come here and score 1. And when they go to their countries, they are going to punish you.
Bagbula.
Yeah, you are going to be killed. So I think that's the only element that we need to fix.
To improve on. Yeah.
But all in all, I can tell you now, the team is balanced.
Sure.
We are able to beat opponents.
Yeah.
You see, opponents need to be scared when they come here.
Inja.
Baz na bukute siyodlala ne team difficult.
Yeah.
Structurally, the team is okay. I'm quite happy.
Yes.
Stibo, I'll be very naive if I cannot speak about the issue that is hitting South Africans currently.
Which is
the issue of Teboho Mokoena.
Yes.
I said it go slot sako.
Sure.
I said I know the kind of leadership that we have in a country. I said Ilisotho kept on saying we've got a problem.
I said we too.
Yeah, so we too. As we speak now is 2.
Yeah.
So access say 1.
Sure.
I said Stibo, issue if we are not going to make a proper follow-up, we are going to be in trouble. And
yes.
3 points has been docked, plus 3 goals, which now puts pressure. Now they need to win the remaining 2 games.
Must win.
I've got a problem with those old people that are sitting at SAFA offices.
Yeah.
Somebody, because yesterday they gave us an apology.
Sure.
The apology is not enough.
Yes.
Remember, this is not the first mistake that they are doing. In fact, they keep on embarrassing us all the time. We have been embarrassed thinking that we have qualified. Abo Kune Nabo Simpiwe Shabalala, but dancer there. Mbombela, they were dancing, thinking that we have qualified.
Yeah.
Just within an hour, the report came back that no, you didn't qualify. They danced 7 years earlier was malicious. It was for nothing. You are not supposed to. So honestly speaking,
yes.
I so wish we can get a new leadership, a new crop of leadership.
Yes.
That is going to take this matter serious. You can't tell me, Guti, a team manager or whoever that is responsible couldn't really realize Guti, this person is sitting on 2 yellow cards.
Yes.
Therefore, he doesn't qualify to play for another game. Those are the nitty-gritties of the game. That's your work.
Yeah.
That's what you need to make it a point, Guti.
Focus.
Those are technical issues. We don't have abafana abadlalile.
Yeah.
Manje lamakhehla sibuyisele emuva futhi now we are under pressure, Stibo,
because of their incompetence.
Yeah. But over and above that, we are annoyed as football fans. We are very annoyed.
Yes.
On the 11th hour, we are now discussing issues of my yellow card.
They dropped the ball. Yeah.
So I'm saying the apology is not enough.
Yes.
Heads needs to roll.
Yeah.
Whoever that was responsible needs to be taken to a DC.
Agava.
Because this is for the second time Sembaras was Steve. So all in all, Steve, all that I can say, Uguti, even the appeal that they are saying they are going to, what are you going to appeal? I mean, if your player was ineligible to play,
He was in agent.
And it has been proven ukuthi yes indeed the person got 2 yellow cards.
Yeah.
What is it that you are going to appeal? Because I saw their statement yesterday. They are saying no, but it's only one person that has decided ukuthi 3 points needs to be taken.
Yeah.
But how do you know? Maybe that person was mandated by FIFA to
Yeah.
actually write the letter and give us the feedback.
But there's more.
Yeah, but there's more.
Yeah.
But if you are saying you are going to appeal, you want to further embarrass us.
Yeah.
Our Nigerians are laughing at us now, but these ones, they said they are clever. They couldn't even see that their player does have 2 yellow cards.
Eish.
So, and Borayo Stibo,
Yini Pucha?
the chap from Lesotho kept on telling them,
Yeah.
ukuthi, hey, that person of yours, unamakati.
I heard.
They kept quiet.
Yeah.
Masekushisa, when we were about to be investigated, they then there was a very arrogant lady there who said, I know, we are not even worried. We know there's nothing there. Look where we are now.
Baskabati.
And akasaveli, the same woman that was so proud to put akuna case. Sekathulile manje. South Africans are embarrassed.
Yeah.
Ngebanga lamakhehla ahleli lapha e-officeini.
Yeah.
Stibo. A good game of football.
Yeah.
Siyabonga, let us give others a chance. But all that I'm saying in closing, Stibo, ukuthi heads must roll lapha kusafa.
Yeah.
Whoever osifake kule mess kumele kazithole kangasebenzi.
Yeah, akava.
Afana nathi sizihlalele lokhu sikena sibaya. Yeah, makafane nathi yeah. Abe umahlalela once. Siyabonga Stibo.
Thank you, Pucha.